So today, baby, we're making some baked chicken. So that has some oil. So I'm gonna add some Maggi chicken season. I don't like use a butter because it's annoying. So we are going with the chicken seasoning. We are going with some Gaia sesame. Right. Along with some paprika. Garlic powder. I'm gonna use a little onion powder. And some all-purpose seasoning. Use this all-purpose seasoning of your choice. I'm gonna use a little of the fish and meat sauce here. Oops. Not too much. So I'm gonna combine this. To get it under the skin, you can also use a knife to pierce the chicken if you want. Okay. So slide out to the camera. Shit. Guys, I did went ahead and add a little complete season to it. I don't want to skip this out, so yeah. So I'm gonna add some bell peppers. These are some season that was remaining from a dish that I prepared earlier. So I don't want to waste it, so I'm just going to use it. It's just bell peppers and onion. So I'm going to add a few more slices of onion to this. I'm going to add a piece of rosemary. Got a piece of pepper. I'm also going to add some garlic. Then I'm going to place the seasoned chicken into the pan. Alright, I'm going to go skin down first so that when I turn it, the skin part will be on top, right? So I'm just gonna add a little water to wash out the basil, and then I'm just gonna add it to the pan. Right, I'm going to add a few pimento seed while I didn't go in one place. So I'm gonna cover it. So I'm gonna place this in the oven. I'm placing it in the oven at 390 degrees for 45 minutes. After this is after 40 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna turn them. Come on. Alright, so we're gonna put it back in the oven. See, 20 minutes. Uncover. So guys, I'm gonna go in and add these to the chicken just to make it look more presentable. I'm not even gonna take it out. Or maybe I can show you guys what I'm gonna do. Just so the dish look vibrant. So I'll just add it to it. As I said, just to make it look. Should I cut them in? Yeah. Then I'm gonna baste it again. Some of the liquid from this. I'm gonna add it to a container. Right. So I'm gonna add a little cornstarch to it. And then I'm gonna add just a little, not too much. Just to thick up whatever liquid in there now. So after adding the slurry, which was the cornstarch and some of the juice from the chicken, I'm going to put it in the oven for another 10 minutes. Okay, I slightly open the oven to steam back now.